What's the meaning of Canadian? Canadian. Canadian.
Canadian. Canadian. The term Canadian refers to anything or anyone that originates from or is associated with Canada, a country located in North America. The term encompasses various aspects of Canadian identity and culture, including its history, geography, cuisine, music, literature, sports, and politics. Canadians are known for their friendliness, politeness, and multiculturalism, as well as their love of outdoors and winter sports. Canadian society is also characterized by a strong social safety net, universal healthcare, and a commitment to gender equality, diversity, and inclusion.